Week 17, 10th class. Tram car, tram car, tram vahanam. The tram car moved slowly through the crowded streets. The tram car moved slowly through the crowded streets. Flanked, flanked. రెండు వైపులా ఉన్న. The road was flanked by tall trees. The road was flanked by tall trees. Modest, సరళమైన. She wore a modest dress to the ceremony. She wore a modest dress to the ceremony. Sturdy, బలమైన. The bridge was sturdy enough to hold the heavy trucks. The bridge was sturdy enough to hold the heavy trucks. Mat of coarse hair, HAIR, hair. Mat of coarse hair, దట్టమైన జుట్టు. He placed a mat of coarse hair at the entrance. Day 2, hustle. Her hazel eyes glimmered in the sunlight. Her hazel eyes glimmered in the sunlight. Conscious, ఉద్దేశపూర్వకమైన. He was conscious of his surroundings. He was conscious of his surroundings. Elaborate, విస్తృత. The teacher gave an elaborate explanation of the topic. The teacher gave an elaborate explanation of the topic. Strode, ధైర్యంగా నడిచాడు. He strode into the room with confidence. Imperiously, అంధకారం చూపుతూ. She spoke imperiously to her subordinates. అధికారం చూపుతూ. Imperiously means అధికారం చూపుతూ. She spoke imperiously to her subordinates. Day 3, amazed. ఆశ్చర్యపోయిన. We were amazed by the magician's trick. We were amazed by the magician's tricks. Imposing, అన్యాయంగా. The imposing building stood tall against the skyline. The imposing building stood tall against the skyline. Fuzzled, అయోమయంగా. He looked puzzled by the complex question. Bidding, ఆజ్ఞలు. They followed his bidding without question. Obviously, స్పష్టంగా. She was obviously happy with the results. Day 4, sensed, ఊహించాడు. He sensed danger and decided to leave. Back and call. సేవకంగా. She was at his back and call, ready to help. Indefinable, నిర్వర్తించలేని. The beauty of the sense was indefinable. Inferior, spelling inferior, INFERIOR. Once again, INFERIOR, inferior, తక్కువ. He never felt inferior to his colleagues. Superior, ఉన్నతమైన. She held a superior position in the company. She held a superior position in the company. Day 5. Infancy. Infancy. The project is still in its infancy. The project is still in its infancy. Deficiencies. Deficiencies. Lopalu. The report highlighted several deficiencies. Utter. 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 పూర్తిగా. పూర్తిగా. He was in utter disbelief after hearing the news. Astonishment. Astonishment. ఆశ్చర్యం. Her sudden decision caused great astonishment. Her sudden decision caused great astonishment.